Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can accept credit card payments in person with Stripe Terminal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for a dedicated Stripe Terminal reader, you need to go and tap on Stripe. So once you go in the official login page of Stripe, you need to simply sign up for a Stripe account and activate it. Once you have activated your Stripe account, simply purchase a Stripe compatible card reader such as the Verifone P400 and set it up according to instructions. Once this is done, you need to download and open a Stripe integrated application on your smartphone or tablet. So if you go in your Play Store or App Store, you can download it from there and initiate a payment by tapping the payment icon or charge a card option within the app. Enter the payment amount and simply select Send to Terminal to display the amount on the reader. After this, you can simply have the customer tap their contactless card, mobile wallet, or insert their chip card on the reader to complete the transactions. So this is how you can simply accept credit card payments in person with Stripe Terminal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.